All right, so this is question 4b, May 2018, and we're asked to A, solve the inequality, and we have 3x minus 1 is less than 11. So everybody should remember that the steps to solve an inequality are identical to the steps that you use to solve an equation. All right, so let's go. We're going to have what? 3x is less than 11 plus 1. Negative 1 goes over and becomes positive. Then, so 3x is less than 12. Divide both sides by 3. And so we get x is less than 4. Down by the bottom, again, we're asked to solve. Now, if 2 is less than or equal to 3x minus 1, it means that 3x minus 1 is greater than or equal to 2. So if we want, we could say if you turn around an inequality, you must turn around the inequality sign. So for example, 3 is less than 4. If I turn this around and start from the 4, it's going to read 4 is greater than 3. If you turn around an inequality, you must turn around the inequality sign. All right, so let's erase this. All right, so negative 1 goes over and becomes positive. So now I have 3x is greater than or equal to 2 plus 1. 3x is greater than or equal to 3. And if I divide both sides by 3, I'm going to get x is greater than or equal to 1. So next we're asked to represent the solution of 2 is less than or equal to 3x minus 1, which is less than 11 on a number line. So this inequality here that we're asked to represent on a number line is actually a combination of the two inequalities that we just solved. So the solution of the two inequalities above is the solution of that inequality. All right, so x must be less than 4, while at the same time x is greater than or equal to 1 is the solution of that inequality. So at 4, I'm going to just circle, and everybody should know that we're not going to shade inside that circle. And then at 1, we're going to put a circle at 1. This one we're going to shade. And the solution is x is less than 4, while at the same time x is greater than or equal to 1. X is less than 4, while at the same time x is greater than or equal to 1. That's the end of the question.